Hello everyone, welcome back to Nitya Cloudtech. Hope all of you are doing good. So in our previous chapters, previous lessons, we have tried to cover the Power BI query editor in the different parts. Now there are few parts left. Let's try to complete that as well. In this video, we are going to talk about append query, how append query works in Power BI. So first, let me delete this dummy data so that we will be more focused on that and it would be visible for you properly as well. So first let's talk about scenario where we exactly use that append query. So if I talk about real time scenario, what happened in like BI reporting, we generally get file on monthly basis, weekly basis. So we need to keep appending that data. So how we will append those tables or Excel file. So we are going to talk about how we can append. So let me show one example for you. Let's say this is the sales table. So first what I can do, I can keep only 10 rows that you will better understand. So before doing this, what I can do, I can create two duplicate sheets, duplicate and a duplicate. Now let's suppose this is my May data. So I'm renaming this May and June. I can rename from here as well. See, this is my data, this is June data, and this by the whole file. So we are just taking one example. So that's why I have mentioned May and June. I have basically created two duplicate data set for this. Now let's keep only 10 rows in May. Keep rows, keep top 10 rows. Okay. See, I have this 10 rows now here. Now let's take this and keep bottom 10 rows. So that data will be different as well. You will better understand. Now, see, I have this data. So if you see channel partners 2015 VTT, so this is different. This is Montana project. So now I have this May and June file. I need to append this file in the another file. So how will I append this? Like after appending, I would have 20 rows. June data will be basically added in the May, or we can say May June will be combined. So what we will do, we will click on the home and we will click on the append queries and append queries as new, and I will give first table name is June, second is May, and then I have both options. I can append two table and two, three or more tables as well. So first I'm appending these two. See, now I have total 20 rows. Okay, and I can rename the name as well, latest or June data, whatever, like this. Now I have my June, July, this June data which we have just combined. Now let's say if I need to append more than two, how I will do that? We have seen that option more than two. So again we'll click on append query, append queries as new, and then three and more tables. So I have basically my, so I will add here. Yeah, it is already added. So I can June data, May and June. So I have 10, 10 and 20. So total row would be 40. See, now I have this. Oh, 40. Okay, if you just need to count, see the count, so you can click here as well, count. So yeah, this is all about append. There's one more thing, like if you want to include, like you don't want to get another data set, you want to include here only in the June data set, what you can do, you can create here instead of append query as new, you can click here on append query and select May. So you will get here itself my June. So now you have 20 rows. So you go to transform and you can check. Yeah. So that's it. I hope this would be helpful for you guys. Thank you everyone. Let's meet in the next video.